You don't need an API key, you don't need credit card. Getting access Cloud Opus 4.8 is a way simpler than tutorial make it look. If you are using AI for coding, writing, research or productivity, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get access Cloud through official free access option. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
First, go to this website. I'll give this website link in this video description. And here you can see I had already logged in my account. So first log out. Here you can see simply visit the website and click on this sign up or sign in with your Microsoft or email. I had already created one account, so click on this sign in with Google, then choose one Gmail account. I had successfully logged in my account, and here you can see the home page of tasklet.ai tool, and here you can see advanced model. So simply click on this. Here you can see basic, expert, genius and advanced. Click on this custom button, and here you can see Claude 𝐖𝐭𝐭, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.7, Claude Opus 4.8, and for OpenAI model here you can see GPT 5.5 and GPT 5.5 fast. And for other Google here you can see Gemini Flash 3.5 and 3.1 flashlight. So you can simply choose any model from here. Here you can see, or Claude Opus. If you want to use Claude Opus, simply select this and start your project. Let's check this model. Here you can see in my Gmail this is the name. So, and this website provides you, here you can see agent daily limit 0%, and this agent can spend up to 4000 credit per day. And here you can see organization credit 295, and actually the website provides you 300 credit, and I already used 4 credit. You don't need to add your card detail or anything to use Claude or OpenAI or Google any model. You can use it in a completely free, and you can simply upload your file. Here you can see connection. You can connect with any of another app. Here you can see a lot of lists are available. Computer also, and trigger and contact method. So by this way you can use Claude model or OpenAI model or Google AI model. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.